getting free subscribers. See my channel and I am showing my subscribers.
तो गाइस आप सभी कैसे हो?
My subscriber is 6. So go in Play Store and search in YT Love. YT Love app install and open YT Love. Make in Google account. Account YouTube and YT Love same account. C account and C YouTube account. Account in same, one account in YouTube, one account in YT Love, same account. So you can press and subscribe button and wait for some seconds. So I am see this video in 400 seconds and click the subscribe, no like, only click subscribe, no notification allow, return the app. I earn in 300 points for just one channel subscribe. So other 10 channel subscribe in you. Click in campaigning and plus and subscribe. Your YouTube channel video, copy link and paste to your link and edit. Wait for few seconds.
आपको भी फ्री में
Just your video and
वाइट
see
लूंगा प्ले
in
स्टोर
your video
कर जाओगे यहाँ पर मैंने तो कोई और
and 10 subscribers select
वाइट
and 60 seconds time equal
और प्ले
and
स्टोर
click the done button.
यहाँ से इंस्टॉल कर
Click the done button. Please wait. Successfully done. I will wait for 5 seconds. I am earning 40 subscribers in 1 hour. So see in my subscribers, 40 subscribers in 1 hour. Please my channel, subscribe and share my video and like button press. So bye. In your same account, second step with your email address and password Google. Third step